Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can schedule the sleep mode to turn on or off automatically on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and tap on modes and routines. Now in here, tap on sleep, then tap on turn on automatically. Next, tap on sleep schedule, tap on the add button. From here you can choose a start time and end time. So here just simply dragging on this blue line. So let's say I want to have my phone to start sleep mode at 9 p.m. So here we drag it to 9 p.m. So just drag it up a little bit more, and it finished at 7 a.m. so we can drag the clock back to 6. So say from 9 to 6, and then it says sleep time is 9 hours. And in here you can choose between Saturday and Sunday. So from Sunday to Saturday, so you can choose all of it, or you can choose to have it turn on between certain days. After that, you can also set the wake up alarm. You can turn it off or you can switch it on. Once the wake up alarm is turned on, you can also choose to change the alarm sound, vibration, and snooze. After that, tap on the save button. And if you want, you can also choose to add a condition as well. So here, the mode will be turned on automatically when at least one of the conditions below are met, and turn off automatically when none of the conditions are met. So here we have the time schedule, and you can also choose a condition to add condition. So you can choose your phone will turn on at a particular place or a time period. So here we already set a time period, and you can choose if it's connected to a certain Wi-Fi network, and when it is disconnected from a Wi-Fi network, then automatically switch the sleep mode will turn on or off. So here you can set a conditions. This is the connections trigger. Then you got the connected device trigger and device trigger, or an event based trigger. So let's say during exercise, you can choose that. If one of the exercise is turned on, then you have the sleep mode will turn on or turn off automatically. And that's it. So choose a condition, or you can just leave it blank. After that, tap on done, and that's it. So now we have set a schedule for the sleeping mode. Other settings that you can change is the do not disturb during sleep mode, or you can choose to restrict certain apps during sleep mode. And below that is the wallpaper. So the wallpaper will automatically change when you have sleep mode turns on, and when the sleep mode turns off, then it will revert back to the original wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.